Hey Milan, where are we going?
We're going to Canada.
We are in Edward's apartment. Let's get nosy. Let's look in his drawers and pantries. It's whatever.
It's like a casting couch.
What's your name?
Matt,
How old are you?
24.
Have you ever done this before? Matt, 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Peanut butter.
That's so cute.
No.
No way a child did that.
One bite.
Ooh, yum! Cheers! Is it recording? So we're in Seattle right now.
Hey everybody. We're back in Seattle.
206, 206. We're at Pike Place. I look good. How are you feeling right now?
Sick.
Finally made it! Woo! Girls outside. Just some girls.
Avoiding social interaction.
Cineplay Odeon. Odeon? Odeon?
Wait, Linny play?
Cineplex, bitch! Hi everyone.
Good morning.
Day one of the conference. Good morning, Milan. Can I get a fit check? Where's everything from?
My shoes are from Nordstrom. My pants are from maybe Target, I don't know. My sweater is from maybe Target, I don't know. My jacket is from Costco. To the left, and to the right, we're gonna see the microglia in the medulla. love their AW. Giddy up, pick up your feet. Giddy up, round the clock. Mixing and mingling and jiggling feet.
So, the girls are back in the Holiday Inn.
Pull over on the side. One or the other. We're like, and then Matt was like this. It's one on the dot. Whoa, right?
I still can't believe you got off the bus in 2 stops.
Oh,
Like,
AJ.
there is a card game called Bus Stop, I guess.
Ride the bus.
Ride the bus. Me and Vic got off. Vic got off in 2 stops. I got off in 5. Matt had to reshuffle the deck.
Bro.
Edward got off in like 15 stops. Woman's intuition. Always believe that. Leaving Canada.
Goodbye, BC.
Goodbye, BBC.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Hello, dim sum.
Like the 4th of July. Let's